I tried to race my pool robot, but it kept taking shortcuts. Turns out it's got better lines than most drivers.
If your pool looks like this, you already know the problem. There's leaves, there's dirt, constant maintenance. It never really seems to stay clean. So today, we're putting the iGarden robot to the test, and it's a real test. This thing claims full pool cleaning in under 20 minutes and up to 10 times lower energy use. And there's no cords, there's no hoses, and there's no manual vacuuming. And we're testing real-world performance, app controls and automation, and a full battery drain test like we always do. Let's see if the iGarden actually delivers. Joe, go ahead and roll the clip.
Where speed meets innovation.
So here's what makes iGarden stand out in the robotic vacuum space. Now first, this uses a dual camera AI system with an onboard chip. And instead of just aimlessly bouncing around like all the other old pool cleaners, this guy builds a map of your pool in real time and builds an efficient cleaning path. Now that's how it's able to clean fast and maybe hit that 20-minute mark claim. We'll see. Now next is the hands-free operation. You can schedule it to clean every day, every 2 days, or every 3 days. And once it's set, it just runs automatically. No dragging out equipment, no manual vacuuming. And then there's the energy efficiency. This system uses over 10 times less energy than a regular pool cleaning setup, and that can really add up over time. And overall, this is built for strong suction, full pool coverage, and then it saves you time. Now, I already did the unboxing of the iGarden, and I'll tell you what was inside the box. Pretty simple. Inside the box, you've got a little quick start card. Most of them have this now. You've got the iGarden pool robot. You've got your charging cable. You've got your power cable, and you've got your user manual. And my first impression was it felt really solid and well built. Not too heavy, but definitely not cheap. Check out the paint job on this guy. Now on the bottom, you've got some intake ports, you've got brushes, and then you've got your drive system. And everything looks like it's built for efficient cleaning and durability, which is great. Now, let's get into the smart side of this. This pool robot connects to an app where you control everything. And from here, you can start or stop cleaning, set schedules, choose cleaning modes, or just monitor the battery life. So for example, you can set this just to run every 2 days and then basically forget about your pool and go have fun. The app is simple, it's clean, it's super easy to use. There's no complicated setup. You connect and you go. And here's what actually matters. We've got dirt, we've got debris, leaves, real world conditions for sure, right out there in the pool. Now let's go ahead and drop it in. We want to go ahead and press the power button until it is solidly lit and then drop it in the pool. We power it on and then we just go. And right away you can see it is not just moving randomly. It's following a pattern, it's covering the pool, and that's the AI mapping doing its thing. Now, this pool is extremely dirty. The 20-minute clean claim would be if you clean regularly. This pool has not been cleaned. It is very dirty. So we're going to go ahead and let this thing clean the entire pool. It is going to take more than 20 minutes because there's going to be multiple basket empties during this time. And after we're done, here's the result. Almost all of the debris is gone. The pool floor looks clean. Coverage was solid. And that's a noticeable difference for a pool that was so dirty before. Now, let's see how the battery holds up. Because we have a very dirty pool here, it's going to take some time to get all this stuff out. Let's see if there's enough battery life to go ahead and do that. And what's interesting is, it doesn't just run at full power. It uses shorter, efficient cleaning cycles, helping extend battery life and support scheduled cleaning over time. And check this out. You get efficient runtime, smart power usage, and lower energy costs. So here's the bottom line. If you're tired of cleaning your pool manually, dealing with bulky equipment, or paying for pool service, this is a solid upgrade. With the iGarden, you get fast cleaning, you get smart navigation, and hands-free operation. Now, if you want to check this out, I'm going to go ahead and put a link down in the description for the iGarden. And if you've got questions, we would love to hear from you in the comments section. And if you want more real-world testing like cars, tech, tools, house projects even, subscribe to Supercar Street Racing and Second Car Street Racing, and check out all our social media links down in the description. Thank you for 310,000 subscribers, I think it is. It's amazing. All because of you guys. And we'll see you in the next one. Now, let's stop the video so I can talk to you frankly about this company, iGarden. Now, these guys are awesome. They're backed by the Fairland Group. Now, Fairland Group has been around for a while, and they're focused on outdoor and pool equipment. Now, Fairland Company has been a long-established global company focusing on outdoor and pool technology. Now, I know what you're thinking. They probably just drop ship everything, right? But no. It's a real technology company. They have a lot of R&D experience. The cool thing also is they also have 2 world records at Guinness for demonstrating engineering capability and innovation, which is very cool. And their expertise goes a long way also in different products. They make things like heating systems and pumps, sanitation, smart pool controls, the robots, like you saw out there, meaning they understand the full pool system, not just the cleaning. They make the longest duration wireless robotic cleaner, and they make the most energy-saving heat pump. Now, why does this matter in the long run for all the iGarden products? Now, one company can make a pool robot, and that's great, or whatever, but Fairland understands the whole ecosystem out there at the pool, so they're thinking deeper into the system level. And that can actually lead to better efficiency, smarter automation with stronger durability, and actually a more practical owner experience. iGarden has a vision they're working towards. It's going to be a whole connected backyard experience. I can't wait. They're going to have the cleaning, the heating, the water circulation, and the water care products all together, and they'll all work intelligently. Now back to the video. I got to get out of here. Joe, roll the outro.